Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be making gingerbread spice mix. Cue the music. Alright, thanks a lot for being here. If this is your first time joining us, please do me a favor, go down, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. Also be sure to go down and hit that description box below. Not only will you find the recipe for this video, but also a ton of groovy links. Alright, you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make gingerbread spice mix. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We are going to start out with 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of ginger, 2 teaspoons of cloves, a half a teaspoon of allspice, a half a teaspoon of cardamom, half a teaspoon of coriander, half a teaspoon of star anise, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1/4 teaspoon of finely ground pepper. We are going to grind these all up because you did notice that the star anise and the coriander are not ground up, but we are going to grind these up when we get done mixing them up. Let's do it. Alright, as always, get yourself a bowl big enough for all your ingredients. This makes 4.5 tablespoons. So we're going to go ahead and add our cinnamon, our nutmeg, our cardamom, the ginger, allspice, and the star anise, like I said, is not ground up, so we're going to do that after we get done with this, as well as the coriander right here. And then we got our rest of our ingredients here with the pepper and the allspice. So, or clove, I'm sorry. Yeah. So we're going to go ahead and just kind of grind this, not grind it up, we're just going to mix it up a little bit. It smells fantastic, smells like it's supposed to. Alright, I got everything in my grinder here. You can do this with a coffee grinder, you can do it with a mortar and pestle, you can do it with a NutriBullet like I've got, whatever you want to use. I wouldn't recommend a blender though, because it's an awful lot of space in there to try to grind up a little bit. Now the way I know it's done is because the star anise that was in there is not bouncing around and clacking in there, and it's all pretty much ground up. I can look in there and see, I can feel around with that. I do not feel it in there. We're gonna do a photo shoot with this, and we'll come back and talk more about it. There you have it, homemade gingerbread spice mix. Store this in an airtight container out of the sunlight. It should last a long time. This is very good in cookies, of course, gingerbread. In pancakes, it's very good. Any kind of shortbread. Anything you want to do for the holiday seasons with this kind of flavoring. This is perfect. It does smell fantastic, and I would recommend using it. I did make some pancakes with this, and they were really, really good. With whipped cream though too. You gotta add the whipped cream on there to have it really good. Hey, I appreciate you watching today. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to check out the description box on your way out. Not only does it contain the recipe for this show, but it also has a bunch of groovy links. I have a gourmet seasoning shop on Etsy, and also have a cookbook on sale. Those links are down there. Don't forget to check out the playlists I've got down there for how to create a cooking show on YouTube, and also a playlist link for how to improve your channel and help it grow. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already, and then make sure you share this video with everyone that you know. Take care of yourself. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.